Why do we say bless you when someone sneezes? While no one knows for certain where this originated, two theories currently exist. The more popular and well-known theory is that people used to believe that sneezing was the soul trying to escape the body, and people said God bless you as protection from the devil snatching their soul. But the more likely and less known theory is that this originated during the bubonic plague in the 14th century, and since this was a fatal disease, people would often say God bless you as a goodwill gesture to someone who is probably gonna die soon. In most other languages, however, people don't say God bless you. They literally just say health, like the German word Gesundheit.